Ever scrolled through the App Store thinking,
I could build something better than this.
but then remembered you'd need to learn Swift, Kotlin, set up databases, handle user authentication, and basically become a full-stack developer overnight? What if I told you that in the next 8 minutes I'm going to build a fully functional mobile app called Giggles, a habit tracker that sends AI-generated memes when you hit milestones, using nothing but conversation with AI? No coding, no complex setup, just pure conversation that turns into production-ready mobile apps. So, without further ado, let's dive in. So here's the thing, habit tracking apps are everywhere, right? But they're all so boring. Streaks, charts, notifications that make you feel guilty. However, we will build something that has humor and the ability to entertain the user. The traditional way to build this? You'd need iOS developer for Swift, Android developer for Kotlin, a backend developer for the API, database architect, AI integration specialist, UI/UX designer. Months of development. But with Emergent, we're going to build this entire thing through conversation. Let me show you exactly how. Alright, let's jump into Emergent. I'm already logged in here. If you want to follow along, there's a link in the description and you get free credits to start. Look at this interface, clean, simple, just one question. What will you build today? I'm going to type exactly what I want. Build me a mobile habit tracker app called Giggles. Users can set daily habits, track completion, and when they hit milestones or need motivation, the app generates funny, personalized memes using AI. Include user authentication, habit categories, streak tracking, milestone celebrations with meme generation, and social sharing features. Make it colorful and Gen Z friendly with a modern UI. Now I need to configure this. First of all, if you have any assets like images or files, for example, UI design, templates, etc., you can upload here. I will go from scratch. So I am skipping this time. Next, you can connect and access all your private and public repositories. This will help you to get a vast number of open source assets to make things easier. However, I won't connect any repositories at this moment. Now, come to the advanced settings. Here first, you can add MCP tools. You can connect with Supabase, Notion, or your custom MCP. If you want to enable memory for the next projects, then turn on this Memory MCP mode. After the MCP, we have to select the template. You will find two options, Full Stack Template and Base Python Template. As I want to create a full stack app, I am selecting the Full Stack Template. Okay, now select the LLM model. You can use Claude Sonnet or GPT model. I will go with Claude Sonnet 4.0. In the end, you can set the credit budget that should be used in this project. Once everything is set, hit the Send button. You can see that the AI has started its work. You can see the progress. It will take around a minute to set the environment. Once the environment is ready, it will start to build the app we asked to build. You can see that it is asking some follow-up questions. It's really great. The AI is understanding the specific needs of the user. That will help to create a perfect app, not a random one. It wants to know about the AI meme generation tool, the user authentication system, the social sharing method, and the types of habits. I am entering the answer. You should enter as per your need. Once all the answers are ready, you can upload assets or media. Save to GitHub, use Fork. In the end, if you turn on the Ultra option, the AI will think deeply. Once done, hit the Send button. Now, it will run all the process steps step by step. You can see the live preview here on the right side. First, it generates the technical implementation plan. After that, it accesses the API key for meme generation. Once done, the AI will start building the backend development. It will take some time. You can always see the progress here on the right side. The backend program is ready, and you can see that the testing agent is now testing the app. It will take some time. So, I am fast-forwarding the video. Okay, the backend development is successful and it's working perfectly. You can see the front-end preview on the right side. It's a full-fledged app. You can review it manually. However, I will ask the AI agent to check the front end. Now the agent is checking the front end, it will take some time. Alright, the front end check is completed, and according to the agent, it's working perfectly. Now, I will try it myself. First of all, we have to create an account. I am creating an account with an email and a password. Once I'm logged in, I find a clean interface like this. It's clean, modern, exactly what I asked for. The colors are vibrant. The typography is on point. Just add your habit, type, and then the description, and then click here. And we are done. Now, you can click here to mark it complete. Now, in the same method, you can add more habits to other categories. It's working perfectly, so it's a fully functional app. Now, let's come to the meme tab. Here you can see that it generates several memes based on my habits. This is really amazing. Okay, now let me pull this up on my actual phone to show you how it performs on a real device. Perfect. Touch responses are smooth. The interface scales beautifully. Everything works exactly like a professionally developed app. The AI even optimized it for different screen sizes automatically. And here's the best part. Emergent gives me deployment options. I can publish this to app stores, share it as a web app, or even embed it in a website. We can also download the full source code. In under 6 minutes, we built Giggles, a fully functional habit tracking app. This isn't a prototype or a mock-up. This is a real app that could compete with anything in the App Store right now. The future of app development isn't about learning to code. It's about learning to communicate your ideas clearly to AI. And platforms like Emergent are making that future available today. I've put the link in the description along with some starter prompts to get you going. You get free credits to experiment, so there's literally no risk. What app are you going to build first? Drop your ideas in the comments. I might feature the best ones in future videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.